If you've been keeping up with my channel, you may know that my exhaust rotted and destroyed my back bumper. So I'm going to use this as an excuse to upgrade my exhaust to a twin exit exhaust on either side. And hopefully I'm going to be able to solve the issue with the bumper by cutting out the bit that's melted and fitting in a diffuser, which I have here. I ordered this from Pro Tuning, which is in Latvia, and it's pretty cool, pretty solid, and as you can see it has dual exhausts. So I'm gonna cut out the bits that I need to cut out of the bumper, and I'm gonna pop this on and we're gonna see what it looks like. So the way that this will fit onto the bumper is by making incisions along the bumper, and if you have a look and see, there are tabs that go along the top of this, and you need to make an incision in your existing bumper for each one of these tabs so that it can slot in place. And then of course you need gaps for the exhausts. So the incisions that we'll be making on the bumper of the car will literally just be below where the reflectors are. So you can see this is where the reflector is going to live, so we're just going to cut everything below that. So we've got a bit of an issue here, and that is that my bumper was more badly damaged than I had anticipated. The side wall here is very, very warped. So that meant when I fitted the diffuser, it didn't meet the warped side of the bumper here. It stuck out. So I'm going to have to go down a different road for repairing this bumper. And luckily enough, a very nice guy by the name of Jed is going to be delivering me another Saab 9.3 bumper, and I'm just going to swap them over.